All right.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome to a different video. As you know me, my name is Leon. We've been off the grid for a while. I've been off the grid. There's a lot going on right now. So we are back at it again. So today we're actually in Nyanga in the Little Maro colleges. You just head on to number 33. That's where we are. We have an outstanding view right there. You see it? You see it? Alright, so we're gonna take you to a little house. So I don't know if I can say our home away from home or the villa that we're in or the estate. I don't really know, but so come on in, come on in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, first of all, we our garage where I personally can shine on in the house. So we have a garage for 2 cars. Sliding, you can lock it, and one of the best things that you can see, thatched roof.
Yeah.
Thatched.
Okay,
so we have this storeroom, but we generally won't use this. We won't even use this. First of all, Archie can take you over.
Yeah, this is just the laundry, guys. Yeah, it's just the laundry.
Just the laundry.
The washer, the dryer, the ironing board.
I hope you heard that. Then a dryer, washing machine, and an ironing board. And then, you know, sanitize. That's one of the best additions. And another door that goes outside. As you can see, we had a thatched roof that side, but you can see it's like, you know, modern ceiling. And the best part about these houses is look at the curtains. They match the thatched roof, and you see these guys all over the place. That's the best thing about this house. So,
and this is African. African. This is African. Come inside. And please, guys, don't mind the lighting.
you see the light.
So this is the lounge and the dining.
Yo, ngaphuma. Damn.
Yeah.
Ngaphuma.
Diner. And this is the main bedroom. And I'm my last born, the bundle of joys. They can be sleeping here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you put a closet also.
Oh yes. Yes, we have a washing basket here, and yeah.
Lots of storage, loads and loads. Next.
Next room.
I'm literally running to her. I'm literally running to her room right now so I can do this. So I can say like this. What?
Yeah, this was my room.
The room and drama. Also the closet over there. She literally likes doing that.
But that's awkward.
This is a little kitchenette that you have backup with gas, microwave toaster. This, that. Change over, boys will understand that. For the generator and Zesa. So, oh wait, you also have a backup system. I will tell you about that. Generator Zesa. That she wouldn't even know about it.
Yeah. Did you?
Oven, spoons, knives.
Yeah, and place. Everything is there. Pots. Yeah. Yeah, that's a proper vacation, man. Yeah.
Another fire extinguisher, okay?
You have gas.
2 bathrooms. Big mirror, giant mirror. Another bathroom over there. This one's the bathroom with the tub. This one's the bathroom with the shower. Beautiful washrooms over there. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
2 washrooms. Good for the ladies and for us boys, huh?
And if you want to soak, here's a tub. Here's a tub. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, another view. There is another view of a fireplace. Beautiful fireplace. Don't mind the mess. We had a beautiful fire over there. Another view from the back door. Everywhere you look, guys, got an amazing view. Like, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. Let's go upstairs. I hope you guys hear us. We are a bit audible because we didn't plug in the mic. Literally forgot about that. Up the steps. Starting off from where we were. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but I hope so. You do. I will just switch this on. Okay, man. This was my room.
The main cave.
The main cave, yeah. This is the main platform, huh? The men's platform. This is my room, obviously, you know. Giant mirror over there. And then another secret. We just call it the secret escape door. When you're trying to run away from here. She comes in through that door, we come here. Through the little hiding spot to the boys' room. Yeah. So 2 boys were here. Which is an amazing view. As I said, I hope you guys can hear us. Hey, if we're a bit far from the camera, I don't know. An astounding view. Ooh.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. And then the best part of the house. Hey, let me go. Open the door, open sesame. The amazing world, the viewpoint, the vantage point where you can see, you know,
See the dam.
you can see the dam. You can actually see right over there. That's where we were, inside those woods, for, you know, that pretty meditating spot. And yeah, mountain for hiking if you want to hike that other side, and the dam over there if you want to go skinny dipping, which is one thing I failed to do because it's, you know, winter time inside. So yeah, but it's still sunny out, huh?
I wanna tell you something boring. I wanna hear just what you'd say, even if I'd heard it all before just yesterday. And even if you wanna kittens and I'm allergic, I won't mention. I've gotten used to the discomfort, so why can't you be? She's got money, she's not into me. I could never be the guy that she could ever see. And we could have it all, still she'd want some more. Even when I make her breakfast, she's accounted for. She's in heaven 24/7, and I'm lonely that I'm mentioned. But she can tell I'm taking chances, but won't tell me what romance is. And I'm unfit at 24, looking just like my uncle, but I can play the song on guitar, you know, Wonderwall. She's got money, she's not into me. I could never be the guy that she could ever see. And we could have it all, still she'd want some more. I wish I could make her jealous, even care at all. get pebbles on the weekend. Sticks and stones with my best friend. You got gold that you could bet in, but while we're here we're complaining. You got diamonds in the nose ring off my mortgage and toy.